This is a simple kit of hardware for installing a sign. Let's take a closer look.
We start with zinc-plated steel bolts, which are weatherproof and incredibly durable. We give you pairs of bolts in 2 sizes. The shorter size is great for medium or lightweight posts, and the longer bolts fit with a heavy-duty or municipal post. Before inserting the bolts into the front of the sign, you can put in the optional nylon washer. When you tighten up the bolt, the nylon washer will protect the sign from getting scratched by the metal in the bolt. It also distributes the pressure that the head of the bolt places on the surface of the sign for a tighter fit. On the back side of the sign, you have the option of using a lock washer. That's this washer with a split in it. It works by squishing flat between the nut and the post once tightened. At that point, the sharp edges of the washer are supposed to dig into the post and the nut to prevent counterclockwise rotation. Both washers are optional. Feel free just to use the bolt and the nut and just tighten it all down with a wrench. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.